Hi, I'm Alex with Hankster's Haulers, and we've got a new arrival here, black with the chrome trim, ROM-450, 24-foot, 8x8.5. And we'll go ahead and do a walk around to this one, starting here with the side door. And this has a nice little latch here. You can latch it so it stays held open there. It's got a nice side step here, slides right out. You can use that to hop right in. It's nice and sturdy. And that just slides right back in. Now we'll go around to the back. We'll open the ramp door. This one's got your typical bar locks in the back. Nice cables make it come down nice and easy. You've got the fold out ramp extension. And then we'll check out the side escape door here as well. These ones, you've got a handle on each side. And if you're one person, you can open these by yourself. You got to kind of get them both started. And then you can, just like that. And it automatically engages the prop rod to hold it up. So it's nice and sturdy, not going anywhere. And then you've got your fender that can come out for ease of loading and unloading. And that just slides right out like that. It's got a nice little step there for getting in and out of the vehicle. Plenty of room for activities. And then it just slides right back in. You just want to make sure it's nice and centered. And then to close, you've got this little orange bar here, orange button on the bar, I should say. You just push that flush, lower it down, and that shuts nicely as it should. We'll go ahead and take a quick walkthrough of the interior. I'll get this back open for some lighting. Yeah, the interior on this one, we've got the coin rubber floor. It's a nice non-slip style. You've got nice LED lights along the full length. You've got the life track on both sides with the extra cabinet here, and that can be moved anywhere along these life track rails. It's even got some on the side door as well. And of course, you've got these nice stainless cabinets in the front. Drawers, roll-out drawers and all. Everything's nice and clean. You've got your inverter up top here. Nice on-off switch, main switch for that. You've got outlets with USB ports here in the front. There's one on the side there, no USB ports on that, just the regular outlet. And you've got switches along the sides here for your lights. We've got the inverter turned off at the moment. But yeah, this one's nice on the inside with the white and the black trim. Goes along with the outside too. You've got your little D-ring hooks on the floor, front and back. And that should about wrap things up for this guy here. It's a very nice unit. It's got the vent fan up top. And that'll about wrap things up for this unit here. Always remember to check out our website, hankstershaulers.com, so you can keep up to date on our fresh new arrivals. We've also got a spring sale that ends at the end of June, and that's $1,500 off any of our in-stock trailers. That's what we currently have in our lot. We do have the ability to order custom trailers and get quotes on custom trailers. So if there's something that you're interested in that we don't currently have at the moment, always feel free to contact us and we can find out and get you a quote on that custom trailer. Feel free to call or email with any questions. Phone number is 724-471-2975. Thanks.